Welcome to part 1 of Generative AI for Coders. I am Sophie, your trainer for this course. In the next 10 minutes, you'll see exactly how to use GPT to build real tools like a code generator and code explainer. So, what is generative AI? Simply put, it's AI that creates things: text, code, images, music. GPT-4 is a type of large language model, LLM. It's trained on a massive dataset and can generate human-like responses, complete code, write emails, and even debug errors. Image models like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion do the same for images. They take a text prompt and generate visuals. Why is this exciting for developers? Because now we can build intelligent apps with almost no training. We just connect to APIs and send smart prompts. Here are the 4 tools we'll use in this series. 1. GPT-4 API, OpenAI, for generating and modifying text or code. 2. DALL-E, to generate images from text, covered in part 2. 3. Hugging Face, open source alternative to OpenAI with transformers. 4. LangChain, a Python framework to build multi-step AI workflows. In this video, we'll focus on OpenAI's GPT API using Python and make 2 small but powerful tools. Let's jump into the code. We are building a simple Python client that sends a request to GPT-4 from OpenAI and asks it to generate code. In this case, a script that uploads a file to AWS S3 using the Boto3 library. Step 1. Installing the OpenAI SDK. First, we install the official OpenAI Python SDK. This library lets us connect to OpenAI models like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 using easy Python code. Step 2. Import the library. We import the OpenAI module so we can use its chat completion class to send prompts and receive AI-generated responses. Step 3. Set your API key. To access OpenAI services, you need a valid API key. This line authenticates your requests. Never hard code this in production. Use environment variables or secret managers. Step 4. Send a prompt to GPT-4. This is where the magic happens. We're calling chatCompletion.create and specifying the GPT-4 model. The messages parameter follows a chat format. We send a user role message with our question or task. This message is what GPT-4 will respond to. You can chain messages like a real conversation, but here we send a single request. Step 5. Print the result. The response from OpenAI contains multiple choices depending on how many you request. We access the first one using choices, and then get the actual response text using message content. This will be a complete Python script generated by GPT-4 based on your prompt. Now let us see the result. Here are a few tips for the learners. 1. Always validate the AI-generated code before running it. 2. Use prompt engineering to ask for comments, error handling, logging, etc. 3. You can replace GPT-4 with GPT 3.5 Turbo if you have lower-tier access. It seems you all are getting excited about the next steps. Let's now build a code explainer, a tool every dev will love. We input some Python code. The prompt asks GPT to explain it clearly. Run the script, and the output is a human-readable breakdown of the Fibonacci function. You can now turn this into a web app, add a UI, or build a coding assistant around it. Let me explain the code snippet in steps. Step 1. Define the code you want explained. This is the code we want the AI to explain. It's a simple recursive function that calculates Fibonacci numbers, a famous pattern in mathematics. The triple quotes allow us to write multi-line code as a single string. We store this code inside a variable called code2explain. Step 2. Ask GPT-4 to explain it. We are now talking to GPT-4 through the OpenAI API. We tell it, "Hey GPT-4, please explain this code, def Fibonacci n." We use a chat format where role user means we are the ones asking the question content, is the actual message GPT-4 will read. We use f, which is a Python f string. It lets us insert our variable, code to explain, directly into the message. Step 3. Show GPT's response. GPT-4 responds with a natural language explanation of what the code does. The response object contains many things, but the actual answer is inside. Choices. The first answer, you can ask for more than one. Message, content. The actual explanation text. So we print it on the screen. Okay, we are done with the coding now. Let's see the output. Here you are. Your code snipped responds with explanation that it understands the code, and the explanation is, this code defines a recursive function called Fibonacci that calculates the nth number in the Fibonacci sequence. Hello, congratulations! In just 10 minutes, you built 2 GPT-powered tools, a script generator with prompt tuning, a code explainer. In part 2, we'll go visual, generate images using DALL-E, and combine it with GPT to build a mini AI content generator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the video description for GitHub repo link, free 10 prompt hacks for developers PDF. See you in the next one, and keep building smarter.